Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will be sharing with you a different project. I will be sharing a way to wrap your presents or gifts. Your Valentine's gift to be exact. And I will be using a couple of products from iCrafter. I will mainly be focusing on the ribbon rosette and the add-on called Valentine add-on. And it's really fun because you can use these all year round and you can create bows for presents or have them like a pin on your chest or something like that. It's really fun. And in this add-on you can see it also creates this really cute heart. I immediately needed to try and see how to assemble that before I did it on camera. So you can see one that I did off camera and I will show you one that I did on camera as well. So the main piece that comes in the large set, you can see here, you need to cut 3 of these to create one of these ribbon rosettes, and I'm just scoring along with the, when you cut this image out or this shape out, it also comes with the scoring, so I'm just increasing them, the already score lines that are already there. I cannot speak today, I'm sorry. And I will use some liquid adhesive to adhere these together. And this was the first time I did this as well, but it was really easy to figure out. There are a lot of videos over at iCrafter's YouTube channel if you'd like to see them. So I just followed one of them. I think it was Linnea or one of the other design team members that created the one I was watching. And I just made sure that I have everything glued together, and then I let it rest a little bit before I did anything more. You could go in and use liquid glue, but you can also use like a stronger adhesive here. I decided to go with my my really strong glue. You can see my the tool over there, and I'm just pressing it down and holding it for a second while the glue is drying, and then I can release and let go. So I will just hold it here and then I can let go. And here you can see I am creasing that heart that I was talking about previously. You can see it up in the left corner, the one I already have created. So this was also super easy to do. I will speed it up a couple of times just to not let you sit and watch this in real time. But it only took a couple of seconds to do this, so it wasn't that hard. And I will also do the same for this one. I'm fiddling around here a bit with it and making sure that all of the lines are really hard, pressed really hard, just to make sure that they will look nice when I am putting this together. And I used some hot glue to do this again, but you could use liquid glue to do it. I did it for the first one that I created, so you don't need to use this strong adhesive to do it. And then you can just fold it around and put it to itself, and when you let go and you're pressing it in together, you can see the shape that is building up. So I find that it's easy to use some really strong liquid glue for this as well, just to make sure that everything sticks nicely together. And when I had adhered this, it didn't come like apart or anything, it stayed put. But I put one to the back side and I will also put one to the front side. So for this ribbon rosette add-on, it also comes with this really beautiful like mandala shape with some hearts there. I thought this was a little bit too big for my centerpiece. I just cut away a part of it, part of the design, so that it fitted nicely and that I had it the way I wanted it. And this was the part I fiddled, I think, the most with. I didn't like how far up my ends came, so I figured around until I liked it, and then I just adhered the heart. And by the way, that little heart that comes in, I have in the center of my larger heart, was also included, as well as this love is also included. And you can see the banners there that is sticking off my my rosette. The one with the hearts also comes from the add-on set, and the larger one comes with original set. But I think this banner that is with the small tiny hearts, you can use the parts that comes off like confetti, but I think you can use these for cards as well. I think it would be a really fun idea. So I had this straw. I think I saw some of the other design team members doing this. I thought it was a fun idea, so I wanted to share it as well, just to have it on top of a straw, make some festive, like for a party or something like that. It would be really fun. And here you can see I'm struggling how to tie a bow. What do I want to do? How can I make this fun? And I decided to go just wrapping it around and then putting it down with some tape, and then on top of the tape I can take this really large bow and just mask off the not so pretty part, and I think that is so pretty. And to raise it up I just took a foam dot, and that is super easy, and the recipient can reuse it or have it somewhere to embellish a room or something. So I think that also is a fun idea. And for my second project here, I'm just tying a bow, and then I am going to adhere my rosette here. And first I was thinking that I could put it on top, and then I decided to go to the side because I really like that bow as well and how it looked together with the rosette. So that is my second project. So here you are, you will see a close-up of it. I hope you got inspired to using these in a different way, and I will also have a coordinating blog post so you can see all of these in a still shot. And I just wanted to share a last minute project. You can have these on a straw as well. Super cute. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!